Alright, so we got the whole mask all built. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Looks pretty dope, pretty, movie accurate. I just don't have like the stitch lines and stuff. But that's alright. But anyways, I gotta take this elastic off. It's what keeps the sides together and stuff. So basically, I was gonna add like a head display in the mask, kind of like how like he has like the contact lenses that just like scans people's faces. I was gonna do that, but then like I couldn't really figure that out. Like I got all the parts for it, and I like kind of assembled the thing. But when it came to like uploading the code, I got confused and finding the code, and I don't know how to code, so I couldn't make the code because I didn't know how to do it. And finding the code, it was just weird and stuff, and I kept getting some random stuff and different codes for different things. So yeah, I still need to work on that. So I might make like a part 2 of me like putting that tracking stuff in there. But for now, this is the mask.